Hey guys, it's Eric Green from Tax Rep Network. I've gotten so many questions about how to use my templates that we've built into Ignition, or where are they? You know what? I figured I'd take a quick minute and just, show you where they are and how to use them. So let me go ahead and I'm going to share my screen. Here we are. All right. So here we are. We're on the dashboard. If you look to the left on the menu, you come down here, you'll see templates. Click on templates. I'm going to send a proposal. Here we are. Now, here are all the different templates that are built into Ignition. Don Brolin's tax preparation stuff, my IRS stuff. Well, no offense to Don. Right now, I just want my IRS stuff. So I put in IRS. Here it is. I'm going to do an offer and compromise, and I'm going to send the proposal to Nicole, my assistant. So let's go in, offer and compromises here. You'd see installment agreement, etc. We're going to do offers. So I'm going to use that template. Up it comes. Which client do I want? Well, I already just said I want to use Nicole. So I'm going to use Nicole here. I want the contract to start once they've accepted. It'll be open for at least 12 months. All right. Offer and compromise. Well, you know what? We just went up in price to 6,500. And you know what? I now want 3,500 up front for the analysis. So that's going to leave 3,000 after the analysis is done. So this will break it all down. Next, I'm going to allow her to pay through either credit card or ACH transfer. No problem there. I'm going to use all of the standard language that I already have in my letters. There, I'm going to hit next. And looks to me like we're ready to go. Review and sign. Green and Sklar is next. And send via email. Done. That is how quick and easy it is to use the templates and just get this stuff out to potential clients, close more clients, and make more money.